What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we going to another car show. I think it might be the last car show that I actually go to this year. It's at Chicago Auto Pros in Lombard, Illinois. If you guys don't know about Chicago Auto Pros, they do detailing. I think they do tint. And they do all different types of stuff. And they're having a season closer today, so I thought, hey, bro, because I got my brother with me today. He acting all shy today. I don't know why. He was all into the but it might be the last car show I go to this year, honestly. It's a car YouTuber. We got to figure out what to do with content. I live in the Midwest, in Illinois. So, we got to figure out what we're going to do in the snow, in the winter time, in the snow. We'll figure something out, but we're going to head on to this car show real quick, see what they got there. I don't know if a lot of people are still going to be coming, but hey, might as well see. Yeah, let's hope so. My baby a little dirty today, but, it's rainy outside, it's muggy, but she dirty, so. But whatever, let's go and see what they got over there. Let's go. All right, y'all, made it to the meet. Don't seem like there's too many people here, but let's go check it out. Okay. Just missed the track out, but let's see.
It's starting to snow out here.
Can we have the Z01 thing? X3M. Let's see what they got in up here. Oh yeah, we saw the NSX at that other meet, remember? I think it was the headlights we weren't really messing with. Boy, dumb boy. Carbon hood on there. Got the copyright claim, but it's alright. Look at this one. Interior, red interior. Okay. So the first thing, this thing hard, bro. The AMG wide body kit. Look at that thing, man. Woo, backed up. So alright though. Big boy wing. Look at the diffuser, man. Is he about to start it up? Let's see. He's about to start it up. About the wrap on this thing. I'm messing with the wheels though. Louis Vuitton smooth. You see the setup in it. See the air setup in the back. What the hell going on there? Oh, the little stinger thing. Got the Type R. Type R look clean in the yellow. Heavy. Joshua, where you going, Joshua? 350Z. I actually saw. When we actually went to James yesterday, we saw a nice ass 350Z though. Pretty nice. Look at the stinger, man. Nice, I'm messing with it. I was actually thinking about getting a stinger too, the GT3? Or GT2, whichever one, I forgot. I ain't really up to date on my stingers and shit. It's clean. I like the blacked out. I like everything blacked out, bro. Carbon fiber diffuser on there. It's a little Supra. Hey, I told you about that, right? I was racing one, and me.
Those are bad.
Yeah, I was racing the Mark V Supra, and we blew past the cop at like 65 miles, at 60, like 70, and like I ain't gonna say what the speed limit was, but we were speeding past the cop. We both did quick as hell. Well, of course, he was pulling on me because I'm heavier. Traded in, get a Supra. Uh oh, they revving outside. Let's see. About snowing out here, man. Snowing out here now. Let's see. Carbon splitter. Wait. What we got here? Is that an S15? Oh, hold on. Hey, can you revving? Okay. Uh-oh, is this a Brabus? Like it. Color different. Bro, I wanted one of these T6 Corvettes, bro. The Z06. Oh, this mine heavy, boy. I need me one. It's not snowing hard as hell. Nowhere did it. Yeah, okay. Bald Eagles is plate. Okay. Like the spoiler on it. Okay. Wide body stack. Mess with it. Oh yeah, it's Jalen's favorite color, the Hellraiser. I gotta trade mine in for either wide body scat or the SRTG, the Wicker.
Man, you should get.
I gotta powder coat my wheels though. I hate those fucking wheels. Powder coat the wheels. I want to powder coat them black for the winter, and then buy some wheels for the summer. Okay. See, I can't say, I ain't got my Honda no more. I have the rotiforms on there. This motherfucker clean though. It's clean. GT2RS coming through. Boy, beefy as hell though. I ain't cap. Type R. There you go, Josh. Get the Type R. Get the Type R. You save on gas and.
Oh yeah, they.
Boy, it is cold as hell out here now. My hands is freezing. It ain't too many people.
Doing okay for me.
It ain't too many people because cold. I don't care. Still send it. Let's see. Let's go for the sends, Joshua. Let's go for the sends, Joshua. Joshua, hurry your black ass up, brother, big brother. Let's go. Woo. Let's go for the sends, Joshua. We hear you blowing up out. Okay, brother. Send it. That was quite. Oh, the check. Is that check? The titty. Damn, that's a loud ass titty. Oh boy, don't Mustang yourself. Better. Don't Mustang yourself. Hey. I still want a Q50. Okay. Pop two. Track car coming through. Come on, man. Josh, I can get you right there. Track
hand on there.
Track pause again. Wonder Woman Stinger. Okay, Josh, what you think about the Wonder Woman Stinger? Oh, we gotta send it, right? When I leave, we gotta send it. Damn, it's cold as hell. My hand cold as hell right now, bro. Josh, your black ass only wearing a damn sweater. And what them people that be knocking down them trees, them that type of hat.
Yeah.
Oh, these motherfuckers beefy as fuck, man. Like a cap. TRX thing.
You got the track card.
Don't hit my door, lady. Track easy. I'm trying to get this motherfucker right now. So I'm trying to get the SRTG or wide body scat. Oh, my hand's cold. Alright, y'all. When something else happens, I'll turn the camera back on. My hand's freezing. See what y'all think about the grill on the BM though. I don't know. I feel like it depends on the color. I feel like it depends on the color. If it's a nice color, then I feel like the grill looks good. But then I don't know. Is he gonna send it? Is he gonna send it? Let's see. Send it. Boring.
You gave it a try.
Are you going to send it? I hear somebody else coming through. Oh, the Panamera.
Oh.
I actually like Panameras, man. They're pretty nice. Uh-oh. Yep, let's go. They shooting. I know I'm black, but we usually don't go where they shooting, but we're gonna go to D. Well, where are we doing, Joshua? What the fuck? Joshua, let's go back over here where they gonna send it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we gonna catch some sands, though. Let's go. Yes, sir. Sitting off one, let's go. Don't send it. So we're missing them crazy sands, dude. Is the Nissan Altima gonna do something? So we like to call it good sport. How was that sand, Joshua? Got the Hunter. We ain't really worried about that one. Got that J Cruiser. My hands is cold, boy. Okay, once again, we will come back when something happens. Shit cold as hell. Yeah. Well, I knew he's gonna do something weird. Well, I thought he was gonna do something.
We thought.
Well, you thought wrong, my nigga. Good little anime rap. Okay.
Like that.
Oh, my hands is freezing. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Send that motherfucker. Damn, check out this. Should I whip that shit when we leave?
Oh, here comes the side.
Another round. Okay. So what y'all think? Wonder Woman rap? Let's see. Okay. See what this song? Man. Oh, the SRTG though. Alright, y'all. I don't know how much I'm gonna record of this. It's cold. My hand's cold as hell, so we might not be here that long. But I still want to come out and get some content in cold before it's too late. Damn, that boy is shooting, baby. Oh, God. Oh, my hands. My hands, man. My hands. Can you do something for us, SRT? It's gonna do something. Kept it conservative, Joshua. That's kind of lame, man. You'll be more careful because it's a little wet out here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, Joshua. You ready to go soon?
Yeah, it's cold. This is
my hand cold as fuck. Cause your ass was sweaty, man. A couple more cars, man. I'm gonna send it out. Cold.
That's nice.
Oh, yeah, man. My hand dying. Coming through.
I mean, I basically saw everything. Nobody really pulled up like that.
So it's okay. We are gonna have a video, you know, mama driving, you know. I told her I can only let her, if I can only record her.
Let's see.
Oh boy. You ready? Look at it.
Oh,
Look at them wheels. What the hell?
I keep seeing them.
I've never seen that move. Alright, y'all, so this is probably gonna be a little short video of the little car meet. It's cold, so ain't anybody really coming out like that. My hands is dying, so. You ready to go? This wasn't a long trip,
My
but.
eyeballs are cold.
Alright, y'all, so. Thought I'd come out to the little season closer. You know, see what they have. Yeah, I'm cold as shit, so y'all, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. We got a little Smokey here doing Christmas lights and shit. What you think? I still need to get that front splitter. I like that front, but I want carbon bits on this motherfucker. Or say fuck this motherfucker and get the SRT Jeep, you know what I'm saying? Or the wide body. Just what we was about to leave, man. Come on now. Let's see if he send that motherfucker. Last send. Josh, we was just almost about to go, man. I want to see this shit though. Let's see. Proper. Okay. Alright, y'all. Now we about to go. I'm cold. This fucking finger about to fall off and shit. So, you know, it's our turn to send this motherfucker. So, ready to send it? Don't crash. Hope I don't crash, but alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. And without a burnout. Yes, sir. Okay, so now we're closing out this little bonus footage, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's blurry. But I'll see y'all later.